Hello, this is Warweasel. Back again, finally, for a new update. I've been away from things for a while, just life has gotten in the way of my hobbies, go figure. But anyway, I've made some progress. Mostly I've added some new combos here. My normal combo here works fine, and then where I hold an attack, I can actually get my slide attack going. I need to redo the animation though. I now have half of this combo working, but I'm going to have to change how I do some of my how I do some of my combos. And I have this here, so nothing too exciting, but here I am. At least I'm making progress. I've done a little bit of dark work, making things a little more sensical. And more importantly, I'm back working on the project again. To sort of bribe myself into doing that, I got a new toy, which is this... Oh. Okay. Of course I did that. Which is this advanced animation locomotion tool. So here we go. Which is just fun to play with. I'm learning how to do this stuff. Yeah, all sorts of fun things I can do with it. I don't know if this is going to be useful. I think it will. I've been doing a lot of similar work. But mostly, well, like I said, I really hope this works for what I'm trying to do. But it is a lot of fun anyways. If I can use any of this with my character, it'll be great. I tried putting my mesh on here, and it's a little more complicated than I thought. I'll get around to it. It'll be fun watching my character move around like that. Let's see. Oh, right thumbstick. No. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out how to use all this stuff. Anyway, that's all I have for today. I really just wanted to put up something so that I can prove that I'm not just hanging out playing video games. Yeah, have a great day.